The school system in England is a nightmare for Swedish parents. The education is good, really good, but to find the right school for the child is much more difficult. The school you choose for your child have a massive effect in the future. The most important thing to choose is a really good secondary school, preferably a private school. But these schools are not for everybody. You have to afford a lot of money if you want your child to have the best teachers, material, and chance to get a proper job. In the future, this whole package will cost the parents £5,000 or 200,000 Swedish crowns for us. Those children who not have parents who can afford to lay this massive amount of money on the school are forced to take part in a special school lottery based on intelligence, where you live, and what your parents will sacrifice for their children's education. The difference between the school in Sweden and the schools in the UK is that everyone has the same chance to get education with high quality in Sweden. It's barely that are similar between the school system in England and Sweden. But on one hand, both Sweden and UK have compulsory schooling. On the other hand, it's not as equal as many people think, because the school system in UK is controlled by the class differences.